Welcome everyone, Brian Rogers here with the Livin Life Project, and in this video I want to talk about the 4 steps to manifest for beginners. So many people have jumped on this positive bandwagon thinking all they got to do is think happy thoughts and everything's just going to magically appear in their life. But it doesn't work that simple. There's so much more to it. And that's what these 4 steps I'm going to give you are going to help you get you on the right track. This is just the beginning, the foundation to get you ready for your manifestations to be drawn into your life. But it comes down to your focus, your awareness, because what you're focused on is where your energy's flowing, and where your energy's flowing is what's going to be drawn into your life. So the 4 steps to manifesting for beginners are: step 1 is setting an intention. Step 2 is to take action. Step 3 is to create new positive enforcing habits. And step 4 is wake up early. Yes, I did say wake up early, but I will tell you that if you can win your morning, you will win your day. And the work is done before you go out into the real world. When you wake up early and you intentionally create positive enforcing habits that lift your spirit up, that get your energy vibrating at a higher level, where you train your mind to become more positive, and then you just repeat it day after day, you create new positive enforcing habits that prepare you for battle. Battle of your own mind, battle of against the dream stealers and naysayers and energy vampires that are going to suck the life out of you when you go out in the real world. But by waking up in the morning and preparing, and you're training yourself and creating these new positive enforcing habits, you're remolding your mind to become your servant. You're remolding it to believe what you're trying to plant into this mind. But this subconscious mind, it takes about 30 days through repetition to remold it, to train it to believe what you're trying to ask it to believe. Because this subconscious mind makes up 90% of your beliefs, your paradigms. And if you don't train it correctly, then it's just going to be automatically pulling you through this autopilot mentality. And even though you're trying to think these positive thoughts, you're only aware of a fraction of what's going on within your mind. But when you set an intention and you train yourself through positive enforcing habits such as meditation, mindfulness, visualizations, gratitude, journaling, reading, this is training your mind, your body, and your spirit to be aligned and to be at a higher vibrational state. And then repetition, repetition, repetition. The more you do it, the more your body becomes accustomed to it, the more your spirit and your mind become aligned. And this is where your energy is being lifted up, and your mind's becoming molded to your hands, like you are the potter and your mind is the clay. Now, it's not going to be easy, but through, like I said, through repetition and having an emotional stake that you are committed, you will not give up, because it takes time. It takes a commitment on your part. So I encourage you to put some emotional stake into this. This is not just your everyday New Year's resolution. You must be committed. So hopefully this helps out. If it does, smash that like button, share this positive message, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.